Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Instagram account from your Instagram application. For this, first you have to make sure that you have downloaded Instagram application in your Android cell phones. So, to delete your account, first you have to open your Instagram application and go to your profile. When your profile is open, you have to look in your upper right corner and go to these three lines. Go to the settings further. Here you will see different options. Look for the help and then go to the help center. When you go to the help center, it will open a browser in front of you. In the search bar, you have to write delete account and go to the how do I delete my Instagram account. When you go to it, you will see some different further options here. Look for delete your account and go to it. When you go to it, it will pop up two different options in front of you. The first one is about you delete your account with Instagram application and second one is about the browser. I will show you how you can delete the account with the Instagram application. So, when you go to the Instagram, it will show you that you have to enter your username or password here. To delete your account, you have to enter your username and then your password. When you enter your email and password login, when you log into the account, it will automatically delete your account from your Instagram.